Hi there, my name is Timothy Potgieter and I'm studying at NMMU and I'm doing a BSc Honours in Computer Science, and this is just a demo video of my honours project, which is titled 3D Puppeteering for Blender using the Kinect. This project is basically there to make 3D animation a bit more intuitive than the traditional ways of doing 3D animation, and I've developed a system called the Blender connection, which allows a person's motion to be able to naturally control armatures and 3D models in Blender. So yeah, let's get into it. Let's get started. Okay, so here we have a model that I downloaded called Pedro, and he's going to be the 3D model that I'm going to animate for this video. I'm going to make a basic walk cycle for Pedro using my system. My system uses voice commands to be able to easily maintain the system as you're going, and you'll see that I'll be voice activating the commands and then performing my motion to be able to animate. So now we'll be going into animation mode. And then activating the control mechanism. Activate legs. Record. So now we're recording, so Blender is actually capturing the motion that Pedro has at the moment. Stop. So now we'll activate the tail. Activate tail. Record. And now we can see that we're recording the next iteration of animation, so the walk is accompanied by the tail wag. Stop. So this iteration will be animating the ears. Activate ears. Record. Stop. To give the walk cycle a bit more of a realistic look, we'll animate the shoulders and the body. Activate body. Record. Stop. An extra addition to the animation is just to make Pedro blink while he's walking. Activate blink. Record. Stop. So if we just play that back, then we can basically see that Blender's captured all the motion and it's been baked into an action, and from here we can just edit out the little glitches, make it a bit more smooth, and then we have a full walk cycle for Pedro. My project also deals with the different types of puppets that you get and bringing that into the animation control mechanisms. So the legs were controlled in more of a string puppet or rod puppet setup. The tail, ears and body were controlled in a similar way to a glove puppet would be controlled, or a ventriloquist dummy. The blink animation was controlled more like an animatronic puppet would be. Although it's not evident, I was running through a slider which controlled the blink.